Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file a federal tax extension, full guide. Gather your income records, estimate tax liability, and choose the right form, typically Form 4868 for individuals or Form 7004 for businesses. Then file electronically through your tax software or submit a paper form by mail and pay any estimated tax due to avoid penalties. Confirm the extension deadline and keep proof of filing and payment in your records for at least 3 years. Walk through Form 4868 step by step while estimating your tax and payments, and be honest and careful when reporting numbers. Use tax software or a trusted preparer to autofill data from your W-2s and 1099, and choose an electronic payment option like direct debit or card to ensure timely payment. Keep digital or paper proof of submission and payment confirmation in case of any questions. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so more useful tax help can reach you. On another note, quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and save time during busy filing weeks, which pairs nicely with getting organized for taxes. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For businesses, prepare Form 7004 if applicable and check specific IRS instructions for partnerships, corporations, and S-corporations to avoid errors. Verify state filing rules and deadlines because many states require separate extension requests or payments even when the federal deadline is extended. Consider adjusting estimated tax deposits or making an extra payment before the deadline to reduce the chance of underpayment penalties during the extension period.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.